I've just come across this beautiful website. This is an AI tool that helps you to color your images into beautiful coloring or colored pages. Now you can see how beautiful these images are. And I've just created these images by a click of a button. Now in this video, I want to show you how you can use this tool. You only need to upload your images and then this tool will do the rest of the work, and it produces high quality coloring pages as you can see them here. You can compare. If I slide, you can see the original and you can compare with the coloring, and indeed they are beautiful. Look at this, look at that. So I want to show you how you can access this tool and how you can start using this tool to produce coloring pages for yourself and for your family. So if you have those images that you have ever wanted to color, then this is the best tool for you. I'll request that you watch up to the end of this video so that you can get to learn how you can use this tool to produce high quality coloring pages with ease. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So let's get into it. We are going to use this AI tool called coloringbook.ai. This is one of the best tools out there that you can use to convert any image or any photo into a coloring page. And there are so many things you can do with this. You can color kids photos, pet portraits, family photos, and your favorite things. So once you are on this page, you can click here to get started free. Alternatively, you can log in here or register for your free account. So I'll just tap on start free now. No credit card is required for you to begin, so just tap on start for free now and then go ahead and log in with your Google account or create an account. So I'll just log in with my Google account and I'm logged in now. So once you're logged in, go to dashboard, and this is where you can now do the magic. You can now begin your creations here. Now once you're here, we have various options. One is image to coloring pages, another one is text to coloring pages, and we have also batch mode, and then we also have online coloring. So I'll use the image to coloring here, and we have to upload here our image. For a starter, you can see here you'll have some credits on your account that you'll be able to use. I had 100 and now I'm left with 98 after generating 2 images. So I have here 3 images that I want us to color, and let me just open them. This is the first image I want us to color, and here's the second image that I want us to color, and finally I have this toddlers or this image of a child playing with toys that I'd like us to color. So let's begin with the first image of a parrot. To upload, just go ahead and tap on upload your image here, and then this will go ahead take you to your computer and then choose where your images are. Mine are under downloads, so I'll tap on downloads and then go ahead and choose the first image. I want the image of a parrot, and then tap on open, and then it will be uploaded directly to this tool. We can go ahead and set the batch, that is generating multiple images or multiple colored pages, and by default it is set to 2, so you can either increase or reduce this number as you wish. So I'll go with 2. And now here we have 2 settings. One, you can set your images to be private such that they'll not be shared on this platform, and also you can decide to remove watermark. So these options are available for you if you have a premium account. So go ahead and tap on this and then this if you so wish, but if you have a free account, it's still okay. You can use this tool while they are off. Great. So from here, it's time to go ahead and generate, and I'll generate our first creation by tapping on generate. And as you can see, each colored image or colored page that is generated consumes 1 credit. So because we're generating 2 credits will be used. I'll go ahead and tap on generate now, and this tool will begin the processing. And the good thing, it is so fast. You can see it just takes about a minute to process your images. And look at that, our parrot image has been generated. Let me tap on this and look at that. So this is the coloring image and this is the original image. You can also tap on this to slide and compare. So look at that comparison. Wow, that is so great. That is the first image. And then look at the second image. Also, if we tap on it, you can compare. This is the original image and this is the colored image. You can see how it colors perfectly. So let's slide and compare. Look at that. This is so great. Great. Now, if you want to download these images, we have options. We have two options you can use here. You can download them in form of PNG or you can download in form of PDF. So I'll go ahead and download this in form of a PNG. And if you click on it, it will be downloaded direct to your computer. And look at that. Let me open it on my computer. So great. Look at that colored image. So great. So beautiful. Great. So that was our first generation. I want us to go ahead and generate another one. And now you can see I had a balance of 98. Now I have a balance of 96 credits that I can still use to generate more images. Now to generate another image, just go ahead and replace this image with the new image that you want to generate. So I'll just tap on this and it will take me again to my computer. And this time around, I'm going to take the second image, that is the image of a Christmas celebration, and then open it and it will go ahead and replace the image. Now I'll maintain the same settings and go ahead and generate. And the second generation has begun. And look at that. Here we go. This is the original image and that is the colored one. And you can slide to compare. I like that. I like that. That's the first image and this is the second image. Wow, that is great. Let's go ahead and try out the last one. And remember, we have here presets that you can also use. We have options like to preserve faces. This is best for photos with faces. And then also you can see we have an option to remove background. So if you want to remove totally the background in your generation, you can also turn on this and it will consider this option that you want to remove the background. And in case your image is of low quality, then you can use this upscale and this will enhance the resolution of your image. So if you also turn on upscale, it will go ahead and upscale your image. So for this case, I want us to generate without the background. I want us to remove this background on this image and just have this kid with the toys. So I'll turn on remove background and then see the results that we shall get. Now for the rest, I'll leave them as they are. I'll generate two and I'll go ahead and tap on generate now. And look at that. Wow, I like this. If you compare the original, wow, that's great. That's so great. And you can also slide and see the comparison. Wow, I like how it maintains the image and only colors it. Let's look at the second one. This is so great. Let me slide. Great. Now let's try and generate this with the background. This is the last generation. Wow, and look at that. That is our generation with the background image on. So this is the original and this is the coloring page. Just slide and see. Wow, look at that. It really tried. I like that. Let's see the second image. The original, coloring, slide to compare. Wow, so great. Now, if you're asking how can you access this tool and start using and start coloring your images with ease, you can go ahead and create a free account. However, if you want productions that are of high quality, then you can go ahead and upgrade to use this tool so that you can have these privileges such as have your generations private and have watermark free generations. And to do this, you can go to the pricing page and you can see here, it is so much cheap to get started. You can just start with $6.99 for each month for a starter account. And we have a hobby account that goes for around $13.99. And then you have professional and business account. So if you go ahead and sign up for a starter account, You'll be able to create up to 100 coloring pages per month. You'll also be able to make your generations private so that they are not shared or they're not visible to any other person apart from you. And you'll also get other support such as email support, personal use, and so many others. So you can go ahead and try out. And the good news is, if you use my link in the description box, you will get a 30% off on your plan. And I'm so much grateful for Coloring Books who gave me access to this tool, and indeed it gives the best results. So if you want to change your precious photos or people's photos into coloring pages, or if you want to begin a business where you are converting images into coloring pages, then this is the best tool. You can go out there, sign up, get a starter package, and then start your business instantly. So get the 30% off when you sign up with my link that is in the description below. So if you enjoyed this video, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.